Walk muna kami. Tara. Tara, pasyal tayo. Go. Silis din na. Elise, come here. Tara. Tagal mo naman eh. Go. Tingnan niyo yung pusa na puti. Come on, let's walk. Sana hot. Hindi kasi yun, kita niyo yun, yun, yun. Ben, likat niya naman. Sino yung pusa na yun? Tina-target niya. Let's go. Come on na. Come on. We have a different place to go. Elise! Come! Nakain si Elise ng grass. Let's go na. Let's go. Lakas ng hangin. Uudan niya ata. Yeah, I'm in the middle of the two of you. Ayan, may sipa na siya. Do you hear that? The wind is so strong. Okay, go. Go wherever you want. No, not na. Ang hilig niya Ay! Wag yan! What's that ba? Ay, damo lang pala. Walking with my cat right now. Lily! Ano yun? Ay, squirting yan. Nag-squirt yan. Ay, hindi. Ay, oo nga, nag-squirt niya. Ay, hindi. Nagwiwi lang siya. Yeah, wiwi lang yan. His tail is not wiggling kasi. Oh, the wind is so strong. Look at that. Meow. Meow. Nal. Nal. Meow. Nal. Hey. Psst. Look at me. Look at me. It's not looking. Come on. Psst. Hmm. Hi, Willie. Ah. I'm so dark now. Diba? I don't look whitish or whatsoever. Hi. Hi. You have ano? You have sipon. Dito ko sa gilid. Yan. Sipon ko. Kamusta ang paa mo? Kaya may sugat ba? No? Ano may sugat? Taba ting ting, taba ting ting, taba ting 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 ting. Ang cute mo. Lily! Come here! Run faster! Come on! Yeah! Baby girl. Jealous ka? Jealous ka? Jealous ang baby na yan. Ano yun? Huh? Pogi naman. Ito ang pogi. Ito ang pretty. You go walk? Walk ikaw? Walk ka pa man. Ikaw? Nakapupo ka na? Nakapupo ka na? Ha? Nakapupo at eat ka na? Ay hindi. Poop and pee. Ha? Did you poop and pee na? More walks? Why don't you walk more? Walk ka pa. Doon na. Doon or there? Where do you wanna go? Sama ka kaya kay Nuna, kay Lily. Itali kita kay Lily. Gusto mo? Ha? And you'll join Lily. Lily, come dali. Aya. Sige ko yan. Wa. Dila mi tapos dila sa tae. Pakata to. Kita mo yan? There's camera. Look. Awan. You look at the camera, baby. That one, oh. Lily, come here. Camera, oh. They're so pogi there, oh. Lily, come. Lily, come. I'll show you the camera. Yeah. Don't. Ano ba? What are you doing? Why are you biting me? There's nothing on my kamay. Lily! I'll show you the camera. Ayun, oh. Yung camera, oh. Galit ko. Hindi ka. Ah! You're so... Hey! Oh, come on. Come on. Lunal, come. Come on. Okay, let's go. Sabay ka sa akin. Tara. Come. Sabay tayo maglakad. Tingnan mo ba? Nauna na si Lily there. Ayan na, si Lily, oh. Ay, may aso pala doon. Si Puti, yan. Kaya ayaw ni Migo is video calling me. Ow! Tara na! Let's go. Time check. It's only 18:16. Yan ang aking mahal. Yan ang aking sketcha. I love you. Come here, baby. Come here, baby. Yeah. Laki ng tiyan ko. I'm like, 2 months pregnant. Nakita niya si Migo for sure. Yan na. Oh. Migo. Yan mo siya, Migs! Yan mo siya! Yan mo, bitawan mo! Bitawan mo! Bitawan mo nga! Ano bang hindi mo magets?
Nakatago sino na lang doon.
What's that? May tali siya.
pauwi, pwede mo ako tulungin sa pag sa ulo ng parts of each speech.
Parts of speech? Noun, verbs,
Sa ulo
pronouns.
ko na yung pronoun at noun.
Sige nga, anong ang noun?
Noun is a word that names a person, a place, a thing, or an idea. Tapos pronoun.
What are the nouns?
Hindi man yun yung parang description.
Yun nga, what are the nouns? Name of people,
Name of people, names of place, names of things, and names of ideas.
okay.
And
Pronouns,
pronoun. A noun that takes place, a word that takes place of a noun.
like what? What are the pronouns?
He. O kaya yung
Gagi ka
Hello,
talaga.
yung babae nag-aano sa lalaki. Okay ka lang ba, Lily? Yung babae ay si Lily. So, yung nasa baba ay si lalaki.
Chine-check niya kung may titi si Nina. Huwag ganyan. Game. She, he,
They, them, or,
Anong or? Our?
our, we,
Paano pag sa things?
things, he,
No. It.
it,
He, she, her, his, it, they, them, ours, we. Okay, what is a verb?
a verb. Hindi ko pa yung sa ulo.
Verb is an action word.
Verb is an action word.
Action word. Verb
Iba
is an
kasi yung
action
iba
word.
paano sa amin
No, yun lang yun. Iyan mo si teacher mo. Huwag kang very wordy sa book. Verb
Kasi
is an action word.
nakalagay dun ay
Ano?
a word that expresses an action or that word
Yun naman din yun. Verb is an
expresses
action
an
word.
action or a state of being. A state of being.
Ang haba-haba, masyadong bookish, yun lang yun. A verb is an action word, such as running, singing, jumping, cleaning, anything that you do. Action.
Gayon pala yun.
Yes. What is an adverb?
Adverb.
Adverb is a word that describes an action word.
Adverb
Is a word that describe an action word. Anong example ng adverb?
Like running, like
Running is an action word. That's a verb. How will you describe
is running.
running fast?
Yung parang dinadagdagan lang yung word.
Hindi naman sa ganun. Kasi pag sinabi mo, ang tawag dun is adjective na. Adjective is a word that describes, a describing word. An adjective is a describing
Mami,
word.
nakita mo yung kulay
Like
black na
beautiful, amazing, tall, handsome.
Yun.
Yung mga adjectives. Nagde-describe siya.
Mami, wait lang.
Ano ba ang example ng adjective?
Wait lang.
Adverb.
Nakita mo yung kulay black na dun kanina?
Inabago mo yung usapan natin. Ano yan? Huwag kang turo-turo.
Nakita mo yung kulay black na leaves dun kanina?
Hmm.
Kulay black na dahon?
Hmm.
Kung nakita mo.
Hindi.
Kasi, yun yung sunog ni Rayleigh. Inalis lang namin. Si Rayleigh yung natakot.
Ang ganda ng color black. Pagka-color black niya. Sorry, baby. Ang
Si
sipon
Rayleigh
ko.
yung nagawa, kami yung naghirap.
What is a verb?
What is a verb?
Yes.
A verb is an action word.
Yan, ganyan. What is an adjective?
An adjective An adjective is describing an action word.
No, that's adverb. Adverb. It means adjective plus verb, adverb. Adjective is a describing word. Okay? Like beautiful. That is adjective. Pag pinagsama mo ang adjective at verb, that is adverb. Which means um, ano yun? Adverb, a word that describes an action. Adverb. Dinidescribe niya ang action, ang verb. Hi, vlog.
Kasi may ahas kami nakita dun dati.
Let's go na, baby. Let's go na. Come, come. Come. Nunal, tara na. Nunal, come on. Nunal, let's go. Come. Ayaw mo? Diyan ka lang? Let's go na, uwi na tayo. Chill na chill ka lang talaga eh. Always eh. Come on na, come on. Let's go home. Let's go home na, let's go home. Come here. Tara na. Come on, let's go. Let's go na, baby. Come, 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 come. Come on. I'll wait you, ha? Bye-bye. Walking pa din.
To.
Bye-bye, vlog.